Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about a watercolor still life, and as you can see I'm just sketching in the still life right here right now. But I'm going to paint this painting and create something really beautiful today, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching and enjoy watching the painting as it progresses into a beautiful still life. Bye for now. One more thing guys, this is a collaboration with Natural Vita, so if anybody wants to learn anything about becoming a vegan or living a really healthy lifestyle, please hop over to her channel Natural Vita. I will leave a link below in the description if you want to find out more information about that. But the channel is really amazing and she's got some really incredible advice and wonderful videos. That's all, enjoy the video. Hi again, thank you for watching the video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Please leave your comments below about any interesting techniques that you may use for creating your watercolor still lifes or for creating your illustrations or drawings. I'd love to know about your processes and how you make your still lifes come to life. And also if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments and I'll be happy to respond very quickly. That's all for today. Thank you again for watching. And as I say always, I hope you enjoyed the video and it's given you some inspiration to make some art or to do something that you really want to do. But that's it for today. And please remember to like the video if you like it. And of course, please remember to subscribe. Bye for now. Happy being creative. Bye.